In this video, we're going to see some interesting facts about the Dassault Rafale, that is, Rafale aircraft. The Dassault Rafale literally means gust of wind or burst of fire in more military sense. It's a French twin-engine Canard Delta Wing multi-role fighter aircraft designed and built by Dassault Aviation, which is an international French aircraft manufacturer of military and business jets and is a subsidiary of Dassault Group. Dassault Aviation was founded in 1929 by Marcel Bloch. After World War II, Marcel Bloch changed his name to Marcel Dassault, and the name of the company was changed to Aviance Marcel Dassault on 28 January 1947. In 1990, the company was renamed Dassault Aviation. The Dassault Aviation Group is headed by Eric Trappier since 9 January 2013. The Rafale is intended to perform air supremacy. Interdiction means deep air support, ground support, in-depth strike, anti-ship strike, and nuclear deterrence missions. The Rafale is referred to as an omni-role aircraft by Dassault. In the late 1970s, French Air Force and French Navy were seeking to replace and consolidate their current fleets of aircraft. In order to reduce the development costs and boost prospective sales, France entered into an arrangement with UK, Germany, Italy, and Spain to produce an agile multi-purpose fighter, the Eurofighter Typhoon. Disagreements over design authority and operational requirements led France to have a consortium to develop Dassault Rifle independently. The Rafale is distinct from other fighters of its era in that it is almost entirely built by one country, involving most of France's major defense contractors such as Dassault, Thales, and Safran. The aircraft is available in three main variants: Rafale C single-seat land-based version, and Rafale B twin-seat land-based version, and Rafale M single-seat carrier-based version. The Rafale was introduced in 18th May 2001 and has been marketed for export to several countries and was selected for purchase by the Indian Air Force, the Egyptian Air Force, and Qatar Air Force. The Rafale has been used in combat over Afghanistan, Libya, Mali, Iraq, and Syria. In 2018, Dassault announced the successor to the Rafale as the new generation fighter. This fighter aircraft under development by Dassault Aviation and Airbus Defence and Space is to replace France's Rafale, Germany's Eurofighter Typhoon, and Spain's FA-18 Hornet in 2035-40 timeframe. Now let's see how Rafale aircraft entered India. There were a lot of dramas going around before the arrival of Dassault Rafale in India. The contract between France and India for the delivery of Rafale aircraft was not made in a day. Let's see about it. The Medium Multi-Role Combat Aircraft MMRCA competition in India, also known as MRCA tender, was a competition to supply 126 multi-role combat aircraft to the Indian Air Force IAF. The Defence Ministry had allotted 55,000 crore at 2008 for the purchase of these aircraft, making it India's single largest defence deal. The Rafale was one of the 6 aircraft competing in India's MRCA competition for 126 multi-role fighters. Originally, the Mirage 2000 has been considered for this competition, but Dassault withdrew it in favor of the Rafale. On 27th April 2011, after an intensive and detailed technical evaluation by the IAF, it reduced the bidders to 2 fighters, Eurofighter Typhoon and Dassault Rafale. On 31st January 2012, it was announced that Dassault Rafale had won the competition due to its lower life cycle cost. The deal had been reported to cost US 28 to 30 billion in 2014. It was proposed that 18 Rafales would be supplied to IAF by 2015 in a flyaway condition, while the remaining 108 would be manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautic Limited (HAL) in India under the transfer of technology agreements. The deal stalled due to the disagreements over production in India. Dassault refused to take responsibility for the 108 HAL manufactured Rafales. On 13th April 2015, the Defense Minister Manohar Parrikar made an announcement that MRCA tender is effectively dead and India officially withdrew the 126 aircraft MMRCA tender on 30th July 2015. On 23rd September 2016, Indian Defense Minister Manohar Parrikar and his French counterpart Jean-Yves Le Drian signed a 7.8 billion contract for 36 of the Shell Rafales with an option for 18 more at the same inflation adjusted price. Then the other issue starts. We would think, oh, what the hell is happening, man? But Indian National Congress raised an issue over the Dassault partnering with Anil Ambani's Reliance Defense, now known as Reliance Naval and Engineering Limited, a private company with no aviation experience instead of state-owned HAL. Allegedly, Dassault was not given a choice and was compelled to select Reliance Defense as its partner. Gandhi alleged that it was favorism and corruption. But there is a twist. Both the French government and Dassault issued a press release stating it was Dassault's decision to choose Reliance Defense. In 2018, it was reported that Rafale is competing against several other aircraft in new procurement tender for 114 multi-role combat aircraft, which is referred as MMRCA 2.0 in the Indian media. Delivery of 36 Rafales started on 27 July 2020, with first 5 Rafales delivered to Indian Air Force from France. The first 5 Rafales landed at Ambala Air Force Station in India on 29 July 2020. And that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like the video, like karo, share karo and subscribe karo. Thanks for watching.